guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a clean with me and also a decorate for Easter and spring with me video. You guys had mentioned back when I did this for Valentine's Day that you would like to see an Easter version, so that's what I'm going to be sharing today. I really love decorating for spring and Easter because it's my favorite time of year. It's my favorite holiday. I love Christmas too, but I really love Easter because it is in the spring and it means that yucky old disgusting winter is over. So I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen and my living room, and I thought I would bring you guys with me to do that, and I'm going to be decorating as I go, and then I will show you at the end where I ended up putting everything. And if you want to see my spring and Easter decor video that I did a few weeks ago, then I will link it for you in the description box. You can kind of see close up all the different decorations that I either got this year or things that I've had from previous years. So definitely check out that video if you're interested. After wiping down the table and the chairs and vacuuming the rug and everything, those, I'm going to put the little Easter Bunny placemats down. Those actually came from Kohl's, I believe, last year or the year before last. And I forgot to show them in that Easter and spring decor video. So I forgot to show those, and I forgot to show the little bunny chair covers. Those came from the Dollar Tree last year, I believe. I didn't see them this year, but they are super cute, so the girls really like it when I put those out. I also got some Easter window clings from the Dollar Tree this year, and I wanted to put them on our French doors leading into our homeschool room. I wanted to clean the glass really well first to get all the smudges and dust and things off of there. So that is what I'm doing right now before I put those decals on there.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it.
I love those little decals. The girls are really excited about them. And if you don't have a lot of a budget to do any type of seasonal or holiday decor, those things are really inexpensive, and they're just fun little touches that really bring a lot of joy to your day and a lot of brightness and happiness to your rooms. So I really recommend looking for things like that at the Dollar Tree or Walmart. Even if you put them on your kids' bathroom mirror and places like that, it really helps to add fun to a new season or a holiday that I think kids really enjoy, but you can also do it on a very little budget.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
This egg garland also came from the Dollar Tree this year. I think it's really cute and looks really nice. It looks like something you'd get at Pottery Barn or Hobby Lobby or somewhere like that. So I was really excited to find that for only $1. Now these placemats I also failed to show in that video, so they came from Kohl's many years ago, and if you can see, the one on the right is kind of frayed, so I actually threw that one away and I had an extra one, so now those look really nice, and it's just kind of a little patchwork quilt placemat with little bunnies, and it's really super cute to put on the island.
I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my
I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser to clean my sink. I got that from Grove Collaborative. a couple months ago. I've already repurchased it. That's my second bottle of it, and I love that stuff. It's way better for you to use on your sink than something with toxic chemicals, because I used to use Soft Scrub, I've used Barkeeper's Friend, and those things are really bad for you. They have really bad chemicals in them. So this one works just as well, and I don't worry about putting it in my sink or anything like that when I use that one. So I really like that. If you're interested, it did come from Grove Collaborative. And speaking of Grove Collaborative, this is super exciting. I want to let you guys know that they actually just released the Mrs. Meyer's Spring Limited Edition scents. If you guys have been watching cleaning videos for a while, or you really like to try different cleaning products, you probably would have seen the Mrs. Meyer's Limited Edition scents. They are always really, really popular when they come out, and this is what they are offering for spring. So you have 3 different scents to choose from. You have the mint scent, the peony scent, or the lilac scent. And if you're a new customer to Grove Collaborative, you get all of this stuff for free just by making your first purchase with Grove. So you're gonna get the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray, the hand soap, the dish soap. You're also gonna get 2 of the walnut scrubber sponges and the Bubble Up dish brush, which is super cute, and it really helps you to get all of the food and baked on things off of your cookware and your dishes, and it really looks cute sitting on your cabinet. So all of that stuff you're going to get for free just when you purchase for the first time with Grove Collaborative. So if you're interested in getting all of that for free and you are new to Grove Collaborative, definitely check out the description box. I have a link there for you guys to use that you will get all of this stuff for free when you make your first purchase with Grove, and you can choose all of the same scent. You can mix and match like I did. So it's a really great time to try Grove and to get those Mrs. Meyer's limited edition spring scents.
Who I'd be, what I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but knowing that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
Everything is all clean. I'm just going to show you kind of how everything looks all put together. I like how it turned out. I think it's super cute. The girls are really excited, and they really love Easter too, so this really helps to get them excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and if you want to see some of my other cleaning videos that maybe are a little bit longer or a little bit in depth, then definitely check out my cleaning and organizing playlist. I will have that link for you guys in the description box as well. I've got tons of videos there all about cleaning and organizing and getting motivated to take care of your home. So check that link out if you're interested. Don't forget to take advantage of that Grove Collaborative offer if you're interested. It's while supplies last. So once all of those gift sets sell out, they won't be offering it anymore. So definitely make sure you do that now while you can get all of that stuff for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time.